Hey there, fellow gearheads. Are you tired of crawling around on your garage floor every time you need to change your oil or check your suspension? Do you dream of having a professional-grade setup right in your own home garage? Well, you're in the right place because today we're counting down the 7 best car lifts for home garages that will transform your DIY auto repair experience. I've personally tested each of these lifts over the past year, putting them through rigorous tests with various vehicles from compact cars to full-size trucks. I've evaluated them based on lifting capacity, ease of use, safety features, build quality, and overall value. So let's dive in and find the perfect car lift for your home garage. 7. Albott Portable Car Lift. Starting our countdown at number 7 is the Albott Portable Car Lift. This budget-friendly option claims to be capable of lifting vehicles up to 6,600 pounds, which sounds impressive on paper. When I first unboxed it, I was surprised by how compact it was, making it seem like an ideal solution for smaller garages with limited space. Setting up the Albott was relatively straightforward, though the instruction manual left a bit to be desired with some confusing translations. Once assembled, I tested it with my sedan, and it did manage to lift the vehicle to a decent height of about 21 inches. The hydraulic system operated smoothly during the initial lifts, and the safety locks engaged as expected. However, after using it for a few weeks, I noticed some concerning issues. The hydraulic pump began making unusual noises, and the lifting speed became inconsistent. More worryingly, one of the frames started showing signs of stress under loads that were well within the stated capacity. I found myself constantly checking and double-checking the locks before getting under the vehicle, which isn't the confidence you want in a car lift. The rubber pads that come with the Albott also wore down rather quickly, requiring replacement sooner than expected. And while the portability is nice in theory, the units are quite heavy to move around, even with the included wheels, making the portable aspect less practical than advertised. 6. VEVOR Car Lift. Coming in at number 6 is the VEVOR Car Lift with a 7,000-pound capacity. This portable lift system comes with extended length plates and a maximum lift height of 26.8 inches, which is impressive for a lift in this price range. The heavy-duty carbon steel construction gives it a substantial feel, and the 120V power unit makes it compatible with standard home electrical systems. When I tested the VEVOR lift, I appreciated the 4 adjustable lifting columns that allow you to customize the height based on your vehicle's lift points. The mechanical safety locks engaged reliably at different heights, providing some peace of mind when working underneath. The extended length plates also provided good stability for various vehicle sizes, from my compact car to my midsize SUV. The lift performed adequately for basic maintenance tasks like oil changes, brake work, and tire rotations. The maximum height of nearly 27 inches provided sufficient clearance for most under-vehicle work, and the included lifting pads offered flexibility for different vehicle types. The control unit was straightforward to use, with simple up and down functions. However, I did encounter some issues during my testing period. The hydraulic system required frequent bleeding to maintain even lifting, and one side would occasionally lift slightly faster than the other, creating an unnerving tilt. While the manufacturer claims a 7,000-pound capacity, I noticed some concerning flex when lifting my truck, which weighs considerably less than the maximum rating. 5. QuickJack 5000 TL Portable Car Lift. Moving up to number 5, we have the QuickJack 5000 TL Portable Car Lift. This is where we start to see a significant step up in quality and reliability. With a 5,000-pound capacity and a maximum lifting height of 24 inches, the QuickJack 5000 TL strikes a good balance between capability and portability. The first thing I noticed when using the QuickJack was how well-engineered the entire system feels. The frames are constructed from high-quality materials, and the hydraulic components operate smoothly and consistently. The setup process was intuitive, with clear instructions and all necessary hardware included. Within 30 minutes of unboxing, I had the system operational and ready for its first lift. One of the standout features of the QuickJack 5000 TL is its automatic safety locks that engage at 2 positions, mid-rise and full rise. These locks provide reliable security when working underneath your vehicle, and they're easy to disengage when you're ready to lower. The one-handed controls are simple to operate, allowing you to focus on positioning your vehicle correctly rather than struggling with complicated mechanisms. The 5000 TL's 70-inch frame length accommodated all of my vehicles comfortably, from my compact sedan to my crossover SUV. The lifting points are adjustable, allowing you to match them precisely to your vehicle's manufacturer-recommended jacking points. This not only ensures safety, but also prevents damage to your vehicle's undercarriage. When not in use, the QuickJack frames can be stored vertically against a wall or horizontally under a workbench, taking up minimal garage space. This makes it an excellent option for home mechanics who don't have the luxury of a dedicated lift bay. 4. Katool 10,000 pounds 2-posts lift. At number 4, we're stepping up to a more permanent solution with the Katool 10,000 pounds 2-posts lift. This is a commercial-grade lift that brings professional capabilities to your home garage, with a substantial 10,000-pound lifting capacity that can handle everything from compact cars to full-size trucks and SUVs. The Katool lift features a base plate design that distributes weight evenly, providing stability without requiring you to bolt it directly into your garage floor. The dual hydraulic chain drive cylinders ensure smooth, consistent lifting, while the manual safety release system can be operated from either side of the lift for convenience. During my testing, I was impressed by how stable the lift felt, even when loaded with my heaviest test vehicle. Installation is more involved than with portable lifts, taking me about a day with the help of a friend. However, the comprehensive instruction manual made the process manageable, and all necessary hardware was included. The 220V/60Hz/1pH power requirement means you'll likely need an electrician to set up the proper power supply if your garage isn't already equipped. Once installed, the Katool lift transformed my garage into a professional-level workspace. The maximum lifting height of 70.8 inches provided ample room to stand comfortably underneath even tall vehicles, making previously difficult tasks like transmission work or exhaust system repairs much more accessible. The adjustable lifting arms accommodated various vehicle sizes, with the front arms extending from 29.5 to 46 inches and the rear arms from 35.4 to 58.2 inches. 3. XK L2900 220V Car Lift. Taking the bronze medal position at number 3 is the XK L2900 220V Car Lift. This two-post lift boasts a 9,000-pound capacity and combines commercial-grade features with a design that's still accessible for home garage use. From the moment I started testing this lift, I could tell it was built to professional standards. The L2900 features a heavy-duty 5/16-inch diameter cable and 4.56-inch pulley system that reduces stress on the synchronization process and extends the cable life. During my tests, this translated to exceptionally smooth lifting operations with minimal noise or vibration. The ultra-high molecular self-lubricating nylon sliders ensure the carriages move up and down without binding or hesitation, even after months of regular use. Safety is clearly a priority in the design of the XK L2900. The automatic arm lock restraints engage securely as soon as lifting begins, preventing any shifting of the vehicle during operation. The built-in relief valve in the power pump prevents overloading, and the door guards protect against accidental damage. The up-limit switch protects the cylinders by ensuring they operate within their safe stroke length. Throughout my testing period, these safety features performed flawlessly. Installation requires a 220V power supply and proper concrete flooring, at least 4 inches thick, but the included anchor bolts and mounting hardware made the process straightforward. The lift's base plate is 15/32 thick, providing excellent stability once properly anchored. The control system is intuitive, with lifting operations controlled by a simple up button on the motor and manual lowering via a lever. 2. QuickJack 7000 TL. Our runner-up at number 2 is the QuickJack 7000 TL, the bigger brother of the 5000 TL we discussed earlier. This portable lift system takes everything great about the 5000 TL and enhances it with a higher 7,000-pound capacity and increased lifting height, making it suitable for a wider range of vehicles including trucks and SUVs. The 7000 TL is the only portable truck lift in our lineup capable of getting truck and SUV tires completely off the ground. With the optional light truck and SUV adapters, It achieves an incredible 27-inch lifting height, providing ample clearance for even the most demanding maintenance tasks. During my testing, this extra height made a noticeable difference when working on larger vehicles, allowing me to stand up straight underneath rather than hunching over. Like its smaller sibling, the 7000 TL features automatic safety locks that engage at 2 positions, ensuring your vehicle remains securely supported. The frames are constructed from high-grade materials that showed no signs of stress or fatigue even after repeated use with heavier vehicles. The hydraulic system operates smoothly and consistently, with a full rise time of approximately 30 seconds. Despite its increased capacity, the 7000 TL maintains an impressively low profile when collapsed, with a height of just 3.5 inches. This allows it to slide under vehicles with low ground clearance, which was particularly useful when working on my lowered sports car. The frames measure 12.5 inches wide and 70.75 inches long, making them compact enough to store vertically against a wall when not in use. 1. APlusLift HW-10KOH-A 10,000 lb. Taking the top spot on our list is the APlusLift HW-10KOH-A, a commercial-grade 2-post overhead lift that brings professional auto shop capabilities right to your home garage. With a 10,000-pound capacity, this lift can handle virtually any vehicle you're likely to own, from compact cars to full-size trucks and SUVs. The first thing that impressed me about the APlusLift was its robust construction. The all-robot welded structure features a double S-column design that provides exceptional stability, even when lifting vehicles close to the maximum capacity. The durable powder-coated finish not only looks professional, but also resists chips and corrosion, ensuring the lift will maintain its appearance and integrity for years to come. Safety features abound on the HW-10KOH-A, including CE certification for both the lift structure and hydraulic system. This means it's been tested to 115% of its rated dynamic load capacity and 150% of its static load capacity, far exceeding industry standards. The double-point safety lock release, automatic arm lock restraints, and built-in relief valve provided complete peace of mind when working underneath even my heaviest test vehicles. The lift's versatility is another standout feature. The combo arm assembly allows for both symmetrical and asymmetrical configurations, accommodating a wide range of vehicle types and sizes. The front arms have a 3-stage reach from 22 7/8 inches to 42 5/8 inches, while the rear arms extend from 33 5/8 inches to 52 7/8 inches. The included adjustable screw pads and 4-inch tall truck adapters further enhance this versatility, allowing you to safely lift vehicles with various chassis designs and lift points. Final thought. So there you have it, the 7 best car lifts for home garages, from budget-friendly portable options to professional-grade 2-post lifts. Whether you're an occasional DIYer or a serious enthusiast, there's a lift on this list that will meet your needs and transform your garage into a more efficient, comfortable workspace. Remember to always follow the manufacturer's installation and usage guidelines and never exceed the rated capacity of your lift. With the right lift and proper safety practices, you'll be tackling projects you never thought possible in your home garage.